What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. So today on the Cayenne, we have to do the fan speed resistor. It went bad on my way to Texas. As you can see, I am now out of California. Not really by choice, but my occupation tells me where to go. So let's go ahead and start the video. So it's hot in the car. I'll show you a cool tip on these 957s and 955s if you did not know. Get some of that hot air out of there. Okay, so the first tool you're gonna need is a T20 Torx. We're gonna go underneath and we're gonna pull this bolt out right here. So without further ado, try to do this with the camera in hand. I'm failing. All right, now we'll just let this thing come down. We do not need to pull it all the way out. All right, next step, get a trim tool in here. Just pop this aluminum trim carefully, unlike what I just did. You want to be careful so you don't bend it like I just bent it, which kind of sucks, but we'll carefully bend this thing back. And we'll work with that, get it bent back straight. I'll do it off camera so I don't mess it up again. And then there's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 T20 Torx bolts we're gonna pull out. All right, with this last Torx bolt pulled out, just carefully grab and wiggle the dashboard down, and then just let it sit right there. And the part we're trying to replace is right here. It's held on by two 5.5mm sockets or bolts. So let's pull that off. Here it is. Now, oh, hello. Subaru. Anyways, I did notice the part that I have is a little bit different in the sense of where the connectors are. And it's got this. Looks like it will work though. So, let's see. Let's put it in. All right, now we can lift our glove box back up and bolt it in. I straighten this piece of aluminum out a little bit. It's very tight fitting. And we'll get that bottom piece up with that one screw. Pretty easy, right? Only been working on it for maybe like 6 minutes. So now what I'm gonna do is I'll start the car, run the air conditioning, and verify that the install does work. Just as an extra note, if your vehicle has the 4-zone AC system, you will have another fan speed resistor. It's gonna be in the back of the vehicle, right behind here. This is for the intake for the rear blower motor. It's right about here. You could pop this back, pop this, there's a screw, and then you could pop this out a little bit and you could get to it from in here and back here. It's fairly easy to replace. So the last thing we have to do is test it. Which I have full air. You can probably hear it. And no air. And that's on mono, that's all four. So let's lower this side. So nothing and full. And it should be the same back here. Nothing full. Perfect. Perfect working HVAC system. Anyways, this is a short video on how to do that. If you guys like the video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you have any questions. Ask them in the comments and I'll be glad to answer them. Have a good day.